good morning, and welcome to again to the second theme park vlog of the 2021 theme park season. I am your host, Mike from LA1. We're here at Knott's for the second round of things to see what I have missed. And no, Summer Nights will not be included today because, well, that'll be covered next week. And again, guys, we still have a little bit of a line just to get through security and then to go in. But the good news is, but I know if everyone's wondering, they are really strict about the reservations. So, on the reservations, yeah. But of course, this comes with a very big announcement. At the end of next week, the restrictions will be lifted. Meaning the state can open up
Welcome to the Knott's Marketplace. During your visit, for the safety of our guests and associates, we ask that you
can open up full. And we can, and hopefully we could very well see the end of that. Which means with this announcement, could we see live entertainment returning in full again? Well, at least that's the hope. So why don't we just take another look around? Thankfully, I think there's no school groups today. Thank goodness for that. So it's gonna be an interesting day. No. Apparently, I think some of you guys said you guys want to see walk around, and apparently I missed out left out some important information regarding the jungle area there. Let's go. I know a lot of people are saying that we should take this up to make room for expansion, but reality, no, sorry guys. I don't think a Knott's expansion isn't going to happen anytime soon because of what's been going on with COVID. I know the popular thing is that they're going to take out all the backstage just to put that in, and there's the chapel, by the way. No, sorry guys. It looks like any hope of that going through are dead in the water. Which is incredibly unfortunate, but it's incredibly unfortunate. So, sorry guys. So, yeah, there's the parking lot. And this is another way you can get to Soak City. And to be honest, I don't know if I'm supposed to be back here, so turning into Adam here. But yeah, there's the other entrance way. So why don't I head back? And I think next week we will go with Independence Hall for you, because I don't want to waste any time. I want to do some rides that I probably missed. The rides that I certainly missed out on last time, i.e. the mine train ride, as well as some entertainment, because we missed a bit of entertainment since when I was here last. So let's not waste any time. Let's head on into the park. Hopefully we're in for a good day. And yes, guys, I'm wearing 2 masks, so that way this mask can fit. And that way I don't lose the other one. So, all right. Either way, let's go in. All right, everyone, we're in. The line didn't take as long as it did the other day, the last time I was here. So, hopefully we'll get on some more rides today. So, hopefully things will be a little better. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen with the stunt show when that returns, if that returns in some way. But something tells me, because of the pandemic, let's be honest, it wasn't very popular. By any stretch of the imagination. It wasn't very popular. I could definitely see another rewrite for the stunt show. Oh, look, Milton's here for a big 100th centennial celebration. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Dang it. Stupid mask. Okay, first ride of the day, we're doing Knott's Fairy Tales. Now, unfortunately, unfortunately, I don't have the GoPro with me, so unfortunately, you're not going to see much on-ride footage again today. So I'll see you guys after this ride, and I'll see you guys after the ride. I'm not going to give you my thoughts on this attraction. So on our way to, here we go, Knott's Berry Tales. Let's get this ride started, shall we? And I'll see you guys after the ride. After a nice ride on Berry Tales, I'll talk more about that when I get the GoPro ready. Shouldn't be not too much longer though. We're about to do Calico River Rapids for you. Unfortunately, I can't take you guys onto the ride again, so unfortunately I can't take you guys onto the ride, but here's some off-ride footage for you. I don't remember this being here. A lot of social distancing markers here. It's gonna be weird because come June 15th, this may very well be gone. This may very well be gone. These social distancing markers. Seems that one party per wrap. I'm surprised they haven't told them to put their camera away. Or maybe they got rid of it. But I doubt it. And I extremely doubt that. So, I'll see you guys after the ride, guys. For some off-ride footage. More off-ride footage for you. Before we board, we gotta check the Coffin Culture. But they are not here. Man, I think that Coffin Culture seems to have vanished off the face of this earth after 2019. Huh. Are these ETA tribute boxes or is it just me? Oh, it looks like we got to try and get some shots up there because that's the exit. That's the exit. Alright, I'll see you guys on camera when I finish up this ride. Yeah, and yeah, look at this. Yeah, I just came out Calico River Rapids for the first time officially this season. And yeah, I got royally drenched. And so now, while we got some aerial shots from the actual indoor of the queue, and I'll get you guys some off-ride footage for you. See you guys in a sec. Before we get to the off-ride shots, I should want to point out the special 100th anniversary back here, because this is the only part of the park we've not yet visited since the park reopened. Pony Express is still not open. Coffin Culture are still all over this park, so could it be possible we'll see them in 2022 possibly? Let's wait and see on that one. Don't have to, folks. So, yeah, let's get this thing dried off. Wait for guests to come in, and yeah, let's go right here. And I got tripped by that mega wave at the end, so.
glad you asked, you sir. You see, we saw this here wanted poster, the one with the two handsome gentlemen on it.
And the reward money.
The reward money is of no consequence. Yes, we want to help you put these desperate, handsome outlaws behind bars where they belong. It says here, beware the dreaded Mayfield gang.
Mayflower gang. Ah!
But, yes, they travel in a group, and look, there's a group right there.
And look, you're wearing masks.
It says here that one of them wears a grey shirt with a beagle on it most of the time, and the other two can be seen wearing rather fanciful hats. Yes, that's them! That's the Mayflower gang!
It's the Mayfield gang. Ow!
Oh, yeah, they certainly do match the descriptions, and they certainly do look tough. Especially the one there in the checks. Look at her.
Yeah, so arrest them at once, and we'll swing by your office, pick up the reward money, and you won't see us no more.
No more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you... Ow! Will you stop doing that?
Stop there!
All right, enough playing around. Drop the disguises. You're the Mayflowers.
Mayfields!
That's right. Now you admit it. You are the Mayfields.
Dang it.
Dang it. Sorry for the confusion, folks. But where did you get them disguises? Did you steal them?
We most certainly did not!
No!
Well, you see, we were walking over by the Undertaker's, and there was this feller there, real silent type. I figured he wouldn't need these studs no more.
Right, so we asked if we could borrow them, and he didn't answer, so we took that for a yes.
Yeah.
And then there was this lady there just crying and wailing, and I figured she was upset at this here fan.
Sure.
So what I done was relieve her of her source of misery.
So you see, sir, this is a big misunderstanding. We're just going to be on our way. Let's go, Tiny.
Not so fast. You're still the Mayfields and you're still under arrest. So you just hold it right there.
Oh, I'd love to, sir, and only... this is a rented tux. And if we don't give it back to the Undertaker in time, I'm going to lose my deposit. He'll be upset. You wouldn't want one of your citizens to be upset now, would you? So...
I'll tell you what we're going to do. Why don't we all just walk on down there together?
That is not necessary, sir. We know the way. We'll see you later.
Oh, no, I insist. We'll get that jacket back in time. We're all down there. I'll make some arrangements.
Arrangements for what?
Your funeral!
Ah! Let's split up! Split, you moron! Split!
Oh, no, you don't stop wherever you are.
Woo!
Miss. Oh, don't worry, folks. Your sheriff in training is on the job. Now you all enjoy your day here in Calico.
Woo! Okay, everyone. I'm having lunch right now here behind the Native American thing next to the photo shop. Can you believe almost 2 years ago we found out that the guy who said that the deed to the town of Calico was an imposter. So we're gonna try and get on some more rides. One of the rides I wanted to film today, well, our hashtag unavailable. So I can't tell you. There's gonna be a lot more. That's where this comes from, because especially when we get closer to June 15th. So yeah, here's my lunch at the mac and cheese tater tots at the Tater Company, which I took the place of the Calico Fry Shop. So yeah, so there's that. So hopefully we're gonna try and get on a couple of rides at Camp Snoopy. Hopefully, try and get some good shots. Try and get some good shots in, because I don't have much time left here, to be honest with you guys. So expect a shorter video. Summer Nights will be in the next vlog, sometime between Monday or Tuesday, which will also include something they should have been doing a long time ago. The reason why I say that is because they actually do a show to light up the K this year. Will this be a permanent thing? I don't know. And again, they said Ghost Town Alive was supposed to be for the 75th, and what's been going on prior to COVID? They keep bringing it back, and there's a possibility we may be seeing that again because it keeps winning awards. Keeps winning all these awards. And honestly, I'm just glad that the shows. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you guys wanted to see the first vlog, there's a card on top. Or click on the card. You'll be watching my very first vlog where I really walked around, including walking close to Independence Hall, which that will be included in the next one. So, since some of you guys were very interested in the even though some of you guys didn't leave a comment, but then again, you guys don't usually leave comments in my other videos, so there's that. So, of course, there's gonna be some more things I want to try because today would have been the day I would have gone to a Rams Open practice, but I decided, you know what, this is too close. I'm gonna wait and see if they are gonna have training camp to the public, because I know they do that at UC Irvine. Yes, that UC Irvine. Get woke, get zot, 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 zot. So, yeah. Gonna let me finish my thoughts. Got a nice cold beverage. We got more post-checker flag coming up. I'll be posting the cards for those post-checker flags in a little bit as well. Catch you guys in a bit. Well, with that announcement, hopefully this will probably be one of the final times we get to hear that, but considering how limited they want both seats to start doing still to capacity limits for big parties, for big gatherings, I wouldn't be shocked that this continues. So ladies and gentlemen, that's practically it. I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, wait, that's it? This is a short vlog today. But reality, next week's vlog is going to be a lot longer. We're going to get more off-ride footage. And we're going to include some nighttime entertainment. Which I heard there's a rumor that they actually added still something with that K up on top of the Sky Tower there. So we're only going to have to wait and see how this goes. Unfortunately, we couldn't get on the line train because the line for that was absolutely ridiculous. Okay, we have one kid on the ride and two very sad and pathetic people. So that's going to conclude today's show. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of future content. Hopefully before the summer's out, we can get on Sierra Sidewinder here. So that's going to be it here. It from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And all I can have one thing left for me to say is thank you and good night from Knott's Berry Farm. And good night from Camp Snoopy. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.